Good morning, everyone. Sorry, pants are falling down. TMI, probably. I don't care. It's like 6:41, 6:42 in the morning, and I just had ducks and put in the soda and ready to go to bed. But I like the sounds of early morning. Shut up, cat. Anyways, I like the sounds. You know, you still hear the crickets from the previous night, and you hear the birds. That like beautiful sky. Got everything. You got a loud dog, weeds that need weed eating. Well, even though, I mean, they're blooming too, it's still pretty. Grapevine. And then you've got like bushes, you know, trees and flowers and stuff that are blooming. You know, it rained last night too, so I don't know, for me, it's calming, soothing, whatever you want to call it. Let's see, and then you've got flowers. And actually, as a matter of fact, I think they just recently bloomed. I don't remember them being like this yesterday, but I don't think I paid attention yesterday. No, actually I really didn't. Yesterday I woke up 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and the first thing I did was help my grandparents change 2 rooms around. And then I watched YouTube, and then I put on a pot, or a crock pot full of Great Northern beans with some meat slapped into it, and a little dab of peanut butter. And then I watched YouTube and tried to work on this channel actually a little bit. I didn't really do a whole lot. I mean, I got like the whole partnership thing, you know, set up for the account, but I've still got to find a way to contact YouTube and figure out, you know, my previous channel, go from there, you know, and like just work things out, like, oh hey, you know, this is what I used to do. Oh, what the hell? I found a mouse pad. But, you know, like, explain, you know, like, I no longer use this channel, and, you know, I want to switch everything over to this one, but I still want to keep this channel, you know, just as like a memory or whatever, and try to get the whole partnership thing switched over completely, because I've been a partner on that one channel since 2008, and my phone is dying. Sorry, there's a mess. Long story. Raccoon, whatever. Raccoon. Spiderweb. But yeah, I don't know.